The automation of production processes results in higher yield and efficiency. Not only that, the saved time and effort can be utilized on other processes or aspects of production. The process of milking cows is known to be laborious and straining to the human body. Automating the delicate procedure is beneficial to the cows, the workers, and the owner of the farm. In today's video, we will be talking about completely automatic cow farming, modern and magnificent technologies. Number 9. TKS automatic farming machines. A key feature of TKS automatic farming machines is the stationary vertical mixers that are built within. With KUHN under air, TKS has developed and is manufacturing an advanced control system that gives its owners the ability to customize the suitable cutting and mixing procedures with the type of feed and materials present. Other factors such as location, climate, and type of equipment used for other farming activities will decide the customization of the major aspect of the fully automated feeding system. They are all crucial in producing the best possible output for your cows. TKS ensures that the entire automatic system is connected via concentrate tanks, counter knives, distribution systems, filing systems, hatches, screw feeders, transport belts, and many others. TKS FeedMixer. The TKS FeedMixer was developed to cut and mix silage, round bales, square bales, and feed for livestock. As a component in the TKS automatic feeding system, the TKS FeedMixer works smoothly with other components in the feeding system. These components could be produced either by TKS or other manufacturing companies. They are all operated via the control system. Its sizes range from 4 to 45 mm squared. Other configurations and settings of the automatic feeding system can be delivered based on what you want. TKS also offers an analysis process for its clients so that they can get the best of what is required by the animals while considering their financial situation. TKS K2 Feed Robot System. The TKS K2 Feed Robot System might be the only automatic feeding system that is capable of working on round bales with any pre-processing procedures, such as chopping, mixing, and splitting. The very flexible system is designed to handle corn, pre-mixed materials, silage blocks, slightly frozen round bales, and other types of forage. The time it takes to process these materials is dependent on the type of material, the structure of a material, the moisture present in the material, and other factors. The K2 feed robot is capable of automatically refilling itself with bales, silage, or silage blocks when necessary. The system can have up to 3 concentrate tanks. It can integrate minerals into the silage or supply concentrate feeding to the cows. Its wagon has a side elevator that distributes the feed on both of its sides. K2 Easy Bedding. The TKS Easy Bedding is capable of automatically bedding hay, sawdust, straw, wood chippings, and other materials for the sleeping pads of cows. The system consists of rotating drums and spreading discs. The equipment is also capable of automatically filling itself from an R2 reservoir. It can separately work on several sections and distributes the desired amount of bedding material into the laid out areas. Number 8. Lely Vector. Before the Lely Vector is used, a crane assembly with feed grabber is fitted in the feed kitchen. The contraption moves to the appropriate block of feed or silage required to weigh and mix the right proportion. Feed grabber. The feed grabber scans the feed's height with the aid of a laser to grab from its peak. With its self-learning management software, the feed grabber knows the exact depth it needs to be extended by for it to pick up the preferred weight. Feeding system. The Lely feeding system ensures there is a constant supply of fresh feed at the feed fence. It also ensures the feed intake of the cows is appropriately optimized and the cows are fed at the right time. If the cows are appropriately fed, their hooves and quality of rumen are well developed. Lely Discovery 120 Collector. The 390 kg mobile collector has a length of 1415 mm, a width of 1188 mm, and a height of 610 mm. It has a maximum weight of 750 kilos and a road speed between 100 to 200 mm per second. Within 2 hours, it can clean a maximum area of 500 square meters with 100 cows. It has 2 electric motors. Each of the motors is stationed to drive a wheel. Its water system has a water bag capacity of 70 litres and a nozzle rate of 3.5 litres per minute. The Lely Discovery 120 collector has 2 navigation sensors, a gyroscope to detect the direction of movement of the collector, and an ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance between the collector and a wall. The travel distance of the mobile barn cleaner is derived from the number of turns its wheels make. Lely Walkway Foot Bath. Lely Walkway Foot Bath. The Lely Walkway Foot Bath has a length of 2 meters, a width of 0.9 of a meter, and a height of 0.17 of a meter. Its water reservoir has a capacity of 180 litres. The foot bath weighs 455 kilos and has 2 product pumps integrated into its system. Lely Luna. The Lely Luna is a cow brush designed to work by intermittently alternating the direction of rotation. It also has variably thick bristles that are spirally positioned to enhance the maximum comfort of cows. Lely Astronaut A5. The art of milking. The Lely Astronaut A5 is designed to be attractive to cows with its iFlow component and large cow box. It is also designed to have clear-cut, vital, and silent arm movements and modified to milk cows at quarter level. Number 7. Ghee Farming. Otto Tuckenhagen established a small company to design, develop, and manufacture dairy solutions on the 27th of November 1931. 90 years after its inception, Ghee is one of the biggest manufacturers of food processing technology. The products of Ghee are used to improve the efficiency and sustainability of production processes all over the world. Ghee's products include related equipment, machines, plants, production technology, components, and services. The global group has 5 business divisions with over 18,000 loyal employees situated in 64 countries. Mix Feeder. The Ghee Mix Feeder WIC generates freshly assorted and accurately measures the proportions of feed for your cows at all times. The advantage of this machine is that cows can produce their maximum output and you can handle other farming activities outside the barn. Dairy Feed F4800 Feed Pusher. The F4800 is guaranteed to produce the best results with the highest degree of precision and reliability. The fully automated feed pusher, F-Roan, drives feed towards the feed fence. It does so at selected times and via predefined routes. With this, your cows constantly have access to fresh and top-notch feed at all times. The Art of Milking. Dairy Rotor T8900. The Dairy Rotor T8900 is designed to efficiently milk cows and produce high yields. The T8900 is capable of milking cows in 32 to 120 stalls, with an impressive ratio of labour to yield. All of the T8900's components are designed to be reliable for a 24/7 basis of operation and exhaust their longest service lifespans. It has a slightly steep deck that passes water and dirt away from the milking component and toward the groove positioned at its middle. Its large splash shield protects the milking component and its interiors from being contaminated by sprayed liquids. There is also an automated disinfection procedure right after the automatic cluster removal to prepare the milking component for the next batch of milking. The T8900 is designed to produce less working resistance, low amounts of wear and tear, and reduced quantities of friction. With these features, the most powerful rotary milking parlour of Ghee's dairy rotor line is capable of minimizing its energy consumption and periods of maintenance. Freestore Cleaners. Ghee has provided 3 options of freestore cleaners: freestall alley cleaner with cable, freestall alley cleaner with chain, and hydraulic freestall cleaner. The freestall cleaner with cable can be used to clean out 2 to 4 alleys. It has 2 scrapers that are controlled by 1 drive unit. The scrapers can be V-shaped, straight, or 16-degree scrapers. The key benefit of the cleaner system is that the operator can select one out of many scraper configurations that can work on very long alleys. The unique design of the SW series cable drive unit allows it to move laterally as the cable is wrapped around the rotating drum. An operator can select between 2 types of cable options: the steel cable, or the Damica rope. The steel cable can be galvanized or stainless. There are also two sizes of corner wheels available for this Freestore cleaner: the 16-inch 90-degree corner wheel or the 21-inch 90-degree corner wheel. The Freestore cleaner with chain can either be a 13mm chain system or a 22mm and pintle chain system. The difference between the two is the high quality of fabrication of the 13mm chain system and its compact vertical chain drive unit. The hydraulic Freestore cleaner is suitable for cleaning a single alley, several alleys with variable lengths, or an unequal number of alleys using a single drive unit. Number 6. Damica dryer system. The Damica dry bedding system enables fresh bedding to be spread across the farm grounds directly on the sleeping pad where it is needed. The procedure usually takes lots of time and effort. However, the bedding system converts the heavy-duty manual labor work into a machine-driven process. Therefore, you get to save time and costs of acquiring labor. You also get to use the saved time to focus on supervising the cows and cleaning the stalls. Since the cows will constantly have a dry and clean pad, their udder health and lifespans will be significantly improved, and your profitability on the farm will increase. The Damica bedding system has a bedding device that roams over the sleeping pads of the cows and a connected refill system. It comes with an intelligent automation feature that performs the bedding procedures with respect to the instructions fed to it. The bedding device is an independent and automated device that carries out its operations based on the feed allowable and prohibited areas. The device is also capable of automatically recharging and refilling itself when needed. The Damica dry bedding system can be installed in milking robots and barns where the transport, distribution, and allocation of the bedding material consumes a large amount of time every day. The bedding system was designed to reduce the workload of farms across the world and allocate the saved resources to other aspects of farm activities. The independent bedding system works with pre-programmed cycles and allocates the exact amount of bedding material needed into the sleeping pads of the cows. The automatic and consistent process of drying the sleeping pads will significantly improve the health of the cows. The labor that would have been required to distribute the bedding material will also be reallocated to other needs of the farm. Number 5. Delaval VMS300, a robot that milks cows. The Delaval VMS300 has proven to be critical in increasing the lifespans and longevity of cows all across the world. It increases the health of udders and the quality of milk produced while making sure that your cows remain healthy and reducing the hours of labor required in the producing a liter of milk. In control. The VMS V300 collects high proportions of data from every milking procedure for every cow, including data from their teats. The In Control feature of the VMS V300 processes, analyzes, and delivers the collected data in the form of easy-to-understand visual reports. These reports can be used to make critical decisions about the milking procedure for any location. You can use either its touchscreen terminal or a mobile device to control the robot, track its daily procedures, check the data of every cow available, and share the information with other interested individuals. Basically, the actionable intelligence of this feature provides complete access and control of processes to its operator. Insight. This part of the milking robot ensures that its operator or owner can use the time that should have been spent on milking cows to handle operations on the farm. The Insight technology ensures the milking robot performs its operations seamlessly and quietly. Consequently, the reallocated time on other farming tasks increases the profitability of the farm. Pure Flow. This feature of the VMS V300 helps in increasing the health, lifespan, productivity, and profitability of the cows. The Pure Flow system of the milking robot includes a preparation cup and 4 milk meters that are approved by the ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research. With these constituents, the Pure Flow feature ensures that the vacuum, pulsation, and takeoff settings are automatically customized for each teat to be milked. Thus, the health of the udders is impeccable. The Champion Parallel Parlour is a high-throughput parlour designed to milk cows with the highest possible comfort. The parlour can be installed in barns that have narrow exit alleys. Its optional air-driven all-index neck rail records cows at once. This feature enables the cows to move back against their elevated udder, simultaneously positioning each udder close enough to the operator to simplify and increase the ease of milking the cows. Number 4. Strikstad OneTouch Feeder. The Strikstad OneTouch Feeder was designed for rigorous use. With its specific purpose knives and reinforced cutting techniques, the feeder can be used for a variety of feed options. The feeder operates on low voltage and is quite easy to maintain. With the Strikstad OneTouch Feeder, the laborious and time-consuming process of chopping feed is automated and more efficient. The increase in the consistency of the chopping of feed increases the palatability and simultaneously the intake of the feed. With the increased intake of the feed comes reduced sorting of the feed by the cows. Overall, the quality of the milk and meat produced will be considerably higher than it was. Grand River Robotics was established in 2012 to provide its clients with automated solutions and technology for the sustainability of their dairy farms. Number 3. Genetill Feeding Robot. The Genetill Feeding Robot provides an automatic, modular, and scalable process of feeding cows. The robot is designed to meet French standards and produce high performance at affordable costs. The Genetill Feeding Robot has a high, precise, and accurate feeding feature that results in the saving of time and energy in the procedure. Accuracy. To ensure that its output is highly precise, each of the units of the feeding robot is fitted with a weighing system. Energy saving. The cost of energy consumed by the feeding robot can be between 0.2 to 0.3 euro for every ton of feed input. This cost excludes VAT. Security. The security settings of the Genetill feeding robot act in accordance with the set standards in the industry. The security settings include equipped emergency stops and protection grids. Skill. With the knowledge Genetill has, the rations are prepared in 2 stages, cutting and mixing. Both stages are configured by the operator. Time saving. The time taken to load the storage units of the feeding robot ranges between 15 to 30 minutes. Versatility. The Genetill feeding robot has several units designed for working on diverse kinds of materials. There are bulk feed units for silage and fodder in bulk quantities, bulk feed units with moving floors for cereals, feed and moist corn, damp stations for minerals, hoppers for food, and shredding units for round or square bales. Number 2. Bateman Hydraulic Cattle Crush. Sometimes referred to as the true beast of the Bateman range, the Bateman Hydraulic Cattle Crush is an extremely strong and functional contraption with completely automated controls that provides its operator complete access and control. The cattle crush has the following dimensions: a length of 3,500 mm, an internal width of 800 mm, an overall width of 1,820 mm, a height of 2,290 mm, an overall height of 2,235 mm, a yoke aperture width between 100 mm to 250 mm, and a weight of 750 kilos. The Bateman Beast is fitted with a chin scoop and forklift brackets. It can also be fitted with load bars. Its yoke feature enables it to be suitable for horned cattle. The cattle crush has touch-sensitive hydraulics, a 240-volt power pack, anti-slip bars, and rubber mat flooring. It is appropriate for cattle of all ages and sizes. The company was founded in 1979 by Melvin Bateman. Since then, Bateman & Co Limited has become a leader in the agricultural sector both in the UK and Europe. To ensure Bateman remains at the forefront of agricultural technology and engineering, its employees are constantly dedicated to manufacturing new products for their clients all over the United Kingdom and mainland Europe. Number 1. Pelon Manure Master. The Pelon Manure Master has a cast, immersed element for separating urine, a computer that controls the entire system, a double scrape wing, a wire traction equipment that functions based on the friction feed principle. The Manure Master is a single unit of 250 watts and is capable of working on alleys with a length of 120 meters and a width of 4 meters. Each manure passage is an individual unit with distinct and programmable cycles, driving modes, and obstacle sensitivity. An integrated level sensor enhances the sensitivity of the Manure Master in identifying unprecedented obstacles. The wire traction equipment doesn't have wire reeling drums, and it ensures the manure passages are separate from each other, thus significantly increasing the shelf life of the wire. Its lower scraper wings increase the ease via which cows pass through the scraper. The Pelon Manure Master can be programmed to work on several operation modes based on 1. Cleaning areas. The working procedure of the scrapers can be programmed based on the area of the space to be cleaned and can be activated via remote control. 2. Integration to feeding. The Manure Master can be incorporated into automatic feeding systems or mixer wagons. The process can be halted at specific times on alleys positioned near the feeding table. 3. Schedules. Depending on the choice of the operator, the Manure Master can work continuously or set to work at stated times via its touchscreen terminal. Every scraper alley can have a distinct programmable level of sensitivity for selected working areas to produce greater results. The Pelon Manure Master is designed to have maintenance supporting features that ensure it is long-lasting. Its proficient method of urine separation ensures the passages are dried out and hard, consequently reducing the amount of ammonia emission. Other embedded features of the Manure Master include a wire guiding wheel, a guiding user interface, fold drive functions, and a universal scrape wing construction. That is all for a detailed look at 15 completely automatic cow farming, modern and magnificent farming technologies. Was there any aspect of the video that you specifically liked? If there was, let us know in the comments box below. If you enjoyed this video, kindly click on the like button and don't forget to drop a comment below to let us know your reviews on it. Hang around and subscribe to our channel to check out our other exciting videos. You could turn on the notification feature. This way, you're updated as soon as we release new videos. We'll see you in the next one.